Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about coins that seem simple but in fact can hide great value. These are coins from the State Quarters program, issued since 1999. If you have such coins, you may be ready to check them out because among them there are really rare specimens that can be worth decent money. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and write in the comments if you have coins from this series. What makes a coin valuable? Many coins issued under the State Quarters program look ordinary, but this does not mean that they cannot be valuable. The reason why some of them are more expensive is because of the presence of minting errors or other defects that make them unique. For example, if a coin has an image shift, improper die placement, or errors with planchets, such coins can be valued much higher than ordinary ones. What coins should you look for? An example would be the 2000 Delaware Quarter. This coin was the first in the series and depicts the ship Calypso. While standard coins from this year are worth around $5 to $10, with minting errors it can be worth up to $100,000. For example, a doubled die or a die shift can increase its value significantly. The Pennsylvania Quarter was also released that year, depicting the Liberty Bell. It is also found in collections, but what is interesting is that if the coin has a shift or other defects, its value can jump up to $400,000. Common coins that can also be valuable. Now let's look at a few coins that may be lesser known but still have potential. 1. Connecticut Quarter, 2000. This coin depicts a sailboat which was the symbol of the state. Simple, but if there is a minting error, such as an incorrect die shape or size, the price can increase several times. Such coins can cost from $20 to $50 in normal condition, and in the case of an error, up to $200 to $300. 2. Georgia Quarter, 2000. With an image of a farmer against the background of the land, this coin is often found in collections. But some coins with an edge error or clipping of the planchet can be worth much more, up to $150,000. Coins from 2001 to 2003. Don't forget about coins from later years. For example, North Carolina Quarter, 2001, with an eagle. In standard condition, it is not very valuable, but coins with die defects, such as a repunched mint mark, can be worth much more. Ohio Quarter, 2002, depicting a granite rock. This coin is very often found in regular collections, but with errors, its value can increase. Why are some coins so expensive? The main reason why coins from the State Quarters program can be expensive is because of their errors. Such errors can include double minting, when the image is minted twice on the same plane. Die offset, when the image on the coin is not located where it should be. Incorrect placement of elements, for example, when the die is not aligned correctly on the coin. These coins become unique, which makes them attractive to collectors. What to do if you have such coins? If you have coins similar to those we have discussed, be sure to look at them carefully. It is especially important to pay attention to any minting errors. Of course, not all errors increase the value of the coin that much, but it is worth checking, as the value can be much higher than you think. If you have State Quarters coins, be sure to check them for errors. You may have a real gem. Share this video with your friends so they can learn how to check their collections too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos about numismatics and collecting. Thanks for watching and see you soon.